You're welcome back. So today we want to look at editing, how we can edit each of these products. So let's get started. I'll go to my Visual Studio Code. I have the editing here, the edit button. So I want to make it a modal, just like what we did for add products. I want to edit via the modal. So I will go to this is the modal that for adding products. So I'll copy this modal, then I'll go to inside here. So this is where I'll place the modal for edit. So let me just come here and say edit, modal edits, and let me just end it and just say start. Then this one will be end modal and modal edits and okay. So I'm going to paste the modal inside here. So let me paste that atrophy. So I've pasted the modal, the one for add product. I've pasted it inside modal edit. So I will just change this add to edit product. Then I will change the button to edit products. Okay, so I'll go to the top where I have the add products. I will take the bootstrap attribute for modal, which is database toggle. I'll take that. Then I'll come to the edit button here and paste those attributes here. Okay, so let me just change this example modal to example modal 2 because I already have example modal for add products. So I'll change this ID to 2. Okay, I think that's better. So let me format this. Okay, brilliant. So let me save all and let's look at what we have. If the modal is working, let me just save everything. Okay, so let me just click on edit. So you can see our modal is working. So what I will do now, I want to populate this to reflect the value of the products that we clicked upon. So let me go to my Visual Studio Code again. So I'm going to come to my edit button, this edit button here. I'm going to pass in some attributes also. So here, remember that we created the for each loop here for item. So here I'll just come here and pass in so I can get the ID number as item ID. So if I save this and go to the browser, refresh it. So if I hover my cursor on this button, you see that at the bottom left side of the screen, you see 8. This one is 7. This one is 3. This one is 2. And this one is 1. So you see somewhere here when I hover the button. That is what I've just done. So I continue. So what I want to do, I want to populate the modal with the products that we click upon. So here in the button, the targets. So I'll come here in the target and I'll put this item also. That is item ID. So I'll do the same thing for the modal. I'll go to the modal, which is this, where I have this example modal 2. I'll just paste this item ID. So meaning when I go to my input field, here, the form, precisely when I come to the form, I want to pass a value. So I'll come here and say value. Then this will be item product name. So I'll just copy that and do that for other available fields. So this one is category. So I'll come here and say item category. Remember, we are still in the for each loop. and this one is for price. On here again, I'll say price. So let's save that before we do for image. So save it, then go to the browser, refresh this. Okay, so let me click on this big bag. So you can see I'm getting big bag and the big bag version 5000. Let me pick this Samsung. I click on edit. So you can see I'm getting Samsung. So that's working, everything is working there. Okay, it's made the image, pick on shoe, I'm getting shoe. So we have been able to get the value of what we click upon. So let me get the value of the image now. So I'll be using JavaScript also for JavaScript for that effect. So before I go to that, let me come here where I have the image here. I will come here and create a new div. Let me come here and create a new div under the image, a new div. So yeah, I will just come here and I'll just give it NB. So I'll take this input, take the input. So I don't even need the input. What I only need is just the image source. So I'll come here and put the image source so that I can display the image that was picked. So I'll say image source. Image source. So this is gonna be assets, because I'm dealing with image here, not just assets. The assets will be item, then product image. Remember, product image is from our database. Getting this image from the database. So here I gave it an ID, an ID of show data. Okay, I'll just leave that for now. So I'll give it a width. Width. What's kind of width? WT. Okay, the width of 300 pixels. Width of 300. I get that right? 300 pixels. No, that would be too much. Let me just say 70 pixels. Then a height of also 70 pixels. 70 pixels. Okay, cool. So I've gotten a width and a height. So let's continue. So the next thing I want to do, I want to get my JavaScript code to integrate this. So I need to go to my notepad so that I can show you. And there's a JavaScript code I need to integrate. Yeah, so which is this. I need to integrate this code, and I'll basically come here and get this JavaScript code, this source code. So before I paste this, I need to give this the ID as show image, because we're going to use that show image ID in our JavaScript code. So I scroll down. Let me just paste it at the top here, somewhere here. Wow, something is wrong with my, I think, my styling. So let me check what is happening. Something is actually wrong with my form. I think where I have the image, did I close the table? Let me take this out for now. I think something is wrong somewhere. Let me take everything out, then I'll do it again, because the color of my text has changed. Okay, so let me say image source. Okay, image source, then ID show. This is the color I want VS Code to bring for me, not the other color. Then show this. Okay, then show this, the width. Sorry, that's not the right width. The width as 70 pixels. 70 pixels. The height as 70 pixels. Okay, so here I put my, okay, oh sorry, that's triple assets, and passing item, then I pass in product underscore image. Yeah, this is this image, sorry. image. So this is what I've just done. So in this particular one, this particular input type file, I'll put this ID as image because I want to use it in the JavaScript code that I just copied here, which is what you're going to see at the bottom. Let me paste the code. Let me go back to my notepad and paste JavaScript code. This is the JavaScript code which I need to explain to you how it works. So I will come here, then I'll just paste it somewhere here. Okay, now this is the image. Remember, I set the image ID to be image. Let me show you the form. Let me minimize this other form. This image, let me take this one. We have the image here, brought image, and I set the ID as image. You can see the ID here as image. Why this one here is why this show image is the one that will work, that will show whenever I try to edit it. It's one that will show whenever I try to edit it. So I will come here and I explain that to you. So this will be more of a jQuery code. Document will get ready. Image. Now I'm taking the image. I need to change the function using the file reader. Then I have to show image. Once the user click on the edit button, this image ID show image will trigger it to show the image. Let me save it and show you what I'm talking about. So I go to the browser. So let me click on edit image. So you can see that the image bag showed here. Let me close it. Let me click on phone. So you can see that the phone showed. That is what I'm talking about. That's what the JavaScript code will do. I think that is simple enough. So now that we've gotten all our necessary values, the next thing is to update this particular each of these particular